Hi there, students. A magnate. A magnate. Okay, a magnate is a rich person with a lot of power, normally in a particular sector. So a magnate, a person of great rank, of great power, of great influence. So Henry Ford was a magnate of industry. He was the magnate of the motor car. I guess Bill Gates is the magnate of of Windows. He's an IT magnate. Maybe Martha Stewart was a business magnate as well. George Soros, he's a finance magnate. J.P. Morgan, another magnate. Okay, so a magnate is a rich person, somebody who's earned a lot of money from a particular business or a particular industry. So he's a billionaire and a shipping magnate, a tycoon, a fat cat, a captain of industry. So a magnate is a powerful industrialist, a captain of industry. So an oil magnate. Rockefeller was an oil magnate, but a magnate is a person of great rank, of great influence in any area. A hotel magnate with chains of hotels, a media magnate. Okay, so a magnate is a person of great influence, of great importance, a person of very high standing within a particular business. Now, don't confuse this with a magnet. Yeah, a magnet, something that attracts metal or gambling is a magnet for certain people. I guess we could say magnet as well for our magnate, but I would normally give the stressed version, a magnate. So a business magnate, a powerful, influential person in business or in industry. Yeah, so somebody who is a mogul, a baron, a tycoon, a bigwig, somebody who's very important within that, a big cheese. Okay, so a magnet, nowadays the magnets are billionaires. They're people who are very rich and successful in business or in industry. I think a real estate magnate, a media magnate. This is somebody who owns a large organization that they started themselves. So definitely Mr. Trump is a magnet, a steel magnet, a newspaper magnet, the Greek shipping magnate Aristotle Onassis, or Niarchos as well. Constantine Niarchos was a shipping magnate. Okay, a property magnate. So an industrialist, a tycoon, a mogul, a baron, a lord. Let's see. This word magnet in the old days, in the Middle Ages, had had a meaning. A magnate was a great person from magnas, a great man, and this is a person from the higher nobility. This was counts and earls and dukes and barons. These were the important people within society. So the Earl of Warwick, the Duke of York. Okay, these are large landowners who were very important, and these were also known as magnates. So let's see, formality, a magnet. I think I'm going to give it a 5.5. Maybe I'm going to give it a 6, using the semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And as I said, as to origin, it comes from late Latin magnatis, magnas, magnus, great. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now, Magnate.